year at least once, and one staff member is allowed. You want to bring more, you got to pay 50 or 100 rupees only for that training, and you are allowed that. So he got that training done, and he actually saved a life once he went to the temple with his mother, temple or Gurudwara. So with his mother, and he actually used BLS skills to save one life. Remember what it does to his self-esteem. That I saved a human life. I'm not a doctor, but I saved a human life. What can it do to a confidence of or the performance of that person? Just try to imagine. As I said, monetary growth, career growth. This is career growth. You are updating their skills. Nowadays there are special programs also available. Assistant training programs are separately available. So many doctors are also organizing it, especially in Mumbai. So you can use those things. I think the battery is gone.